Welcome back, everyone. You're listening to Weekly AI News with Shaily, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. This week, the AI world delivered some truly game-changing announcements with breakthroughs that could reshape not just how AI tools work, but how we build, deploy, and rely on them across industries. So, why does this week's news matter? Because we're not just seeing bigger models, we're witnessing smarter, faster, and more efficient AI systems that are stepping into roles once thought uniquely human. From autonomous agents that think together to AI that codes better than top engineers, the landscape is evolving at a breakneck speed. Let's dive in. First up, NVIDIA dropped a bombshell with Nemotron 3, their new series of open source reasoning models designed specifically for agentic AI systems. Now, what's agentic AI? Think of it as AI programs capable of autonomous decision making and working collaboratively across multiple agents with long memory. Nemotron 3 comes in three flavors: Nano with 30 billion parameters, Super at 100 billion, and Ultra boasting a whopping 500 billion. The Nano variant alone delivers quadruple the token throughput of its predecessor and supports context windows up to 1 million tokens. Imagine the conversations and tasks an AI could handle with that much context. The open source angle here is crucial. NVIDIA is essentially handing over the keys to production ready autonomous AI to the broader community. Smaller developers and enterprises no longer have to rely solely on closed proprietary models. It's democratization at its finest. This sets the stage for a fascinating rivalry with Google's Gemini 3 ecosystem and OpenAI's offerings. The big question is, will open source agentic AI become the new industry standard, or can proprietary giants hold their ground? Speaking of Google, they're not sitting idle. Just last week, they unveiled Gemini 3 Flash, a nimble, lightweight model aimed squarely at speed and efficiency without sacrificing capability. If you've ever wished your AI assistant was faster at live translations or helped you code in real time without lag, this is the model for you. Gemini 3 Flash's large context window and low latency mean it's perfect for real-time streams, whether that's high-volume data crunching or snapping out answers during a coding marathon. Google's multimodal approach, with variants like Flash and the recently released Nano Banana Pro, underlines a key industry insight. No one size fits all in AI. Some tasks need sheer horsepower, others demand agility and speed. This strategy keeps Google competitive across a broad spectrum of applications. For developers working on latency critical projects, it raises an important question: how do you balance power with speed without breaking the bank? That brings us smoothly into the multimodal frontier, powered by Gemini 3 and Nano Banana Pro. Google DeepMind's Nano Banana Pro isn't just about generating pretty pictures. It can process up to 14 input images simultaneously and render scenes with multiple people, capturing contextual nuance that was science fiction just months ago. What's groundbreaking here is the integration: vision, language, and reasoning working seamlessly together. This isn't just a Photoshop on steroids, it's a leap toward AI systems that analyze architectural plans, assist in medical imaging, or visualize complex scientific data by linking what they see with what they know. Imagine the potential when AI can combine multiple images with high-level reasoning. How will creatives and scientists alike harness this power? Now, let me share what I consider the crown jewel of this week. Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.5 has officially surpassed human performance on the SWE-bench Verified benchmark with an impressive 80.9% score. For context, this benchmark evaluates software engineering tasks, and hitting this milestone means AI can now match or beat skilled human coders under standardized test conditions. Why is this a big deal? Software engineering serves as the backbone of virtually every tech-driven enterprise. Having AI achieve parity here doesn't just open doors for more efficient coding assistance or automated bug fixes. It flags a seismic shift in how engineering teams might work. scaling their capacity, or redefining roles altogether. What fascinates me is that this is more than a vague boast about AI capability. Unlike general benchmarks, SWE-bench offers a measurable, verifiable way to judge progress. And Claude Opus 4.5's performance edges out Google's Gemini 3 Pro and OpenAI's GPT 5.1. If you're in software development, this prompts a critical reflection. How will your workflows adapt when AI hits and surpasses human level performance in tasks you once thought uniquely demanding of human insight? And last but not least, Google DeepMind's GenCast is making waves in an entirely different domain: weather forecasting. By applying generative AI for medium range predictions, GenCast significantly outperforms traditional ensemble methods while using a fraction of the computational resources. It excels at predicting extreme events like heat waves and storms, giving meteorologists a faster, more efficient toolkit. This isn't just academic. Better forecasts mean better public safety, smarter resource deployment, and hopefully fewer weather related disasters. GenCast serves as a powerful example of AI leaving its mark on critical infrastructure and specialized scientific domains, suggesting similar models could revolutionize climate science, fluid dynamics, and beyond. So, as these developments unfold, a few themes emerge loudly. Agentic AI systems are becoming more autonomous and collaborative. Efficiency and scalability are just as prized as sheer model size. Multimodal integration is fast becoming the standard for versatile AI applications, and domain specialization promises to unlock breakthroughs in fields from coding to climate science. If I had to choose the most lasting impact this past week, it would be Claude Opus 4.5's SWE-bench milestone. It's the kind of achievement that doesn't just show progress, it resets expectations and accelerates AI adoption in one of the world's most critical industries. To leave you with a thought, as AI closes the gap with human experts in specialized tasks, how will our roles evolve? What new opportunities will emerge when AI becomes not just a tool, but a trusted collaborator? If you enjoyed diving into this week's AI breakthroughs with me, connect with me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Medium, where I share deeper insights, tutorials, and my take on AI's evolving landscape. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Weekly AI News with Shaily to keep these cutting edge updates coming right to your ears. I'm Shailendra Kumar, and until next week, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the future of AI is as much what we build as what we imagine. Take care.